Have you ever wanted to keep some of your Apple books a little more private? Well, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to hide books in the Apple Books app on your iPhone. So, let's dive right in. First off, launch the Books app on your iPhone. Then head over to your library. Next, tap on the three dots located under the book you wish to hide. Next, select Remove from the pop-up menu. Now, just tap on Hide Book. And that's it! Your book will be hidden. If you ever want to unhide it, tap on Home. Then tap the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, select Manage Hidden Purchases. Then enter your account password and sign in. And here you'll find all your hidden books. Simply tap on Hide next to the title you want to reveal and hit the Done button to unhide it. And there you have it. That's how you can hide books in the Apple Books app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful and want to see more like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I cannot wait to catch you in the next one.